Hello, hello, Josephine here, your detox coach. Today I want to share with you my all-time favorite detox recipes. I mean, it cannot get better than this. You know, sometimes we just tend to lean towards lettuce as the salad or spinach, but this is going to bring a little bit of color and anti-inflammatory, antioxidant ingredients that are really powerful in detoxing your body to eliminate any toxins, inflammation, fibroid, weight loss, any kind of inflammation in your body right now that you're trying to get rid of. You can start introducing this in your kitchen. It's very easy, quick, yummy, and I know that you can do it as well in your kitchen, okay? So for this recipe, all you're going to need is half a cabbage. So I have red cabbage here, which I've already washed. We're going to thinly cut that. And also I have 6 sweet peppers. So the sweet peppers are rich, high in vitamin C. They're great for boosting your immune system. This is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory because of the color. So you want to try and eat your vegetables as raw as possible. Then we have some lime here that is going to bring that the acidity, you know, it's really gonna balance the taste out. So we're gonna add that on there. So we need 1 lime, and we need 1 bunch of green onion, and we need some sea salt or Celtic salt, pink Himalayan salt. Please try avoid the white processed salt if you can. And then we need extra virgin oil for this recipe. So as I said, this is going to be quick and easy. So to get started, I'm just going to chop everything with you, and I'll show you how to do that. And we just combine everything in the bowl, and then we'll serve that. I will serve this recipe with plantain today and some side of avocado. You can choose to eat it as it is, so you can serve a big bowl of this salad and enjoy it as it is. So first thing first, I've washed the cabbage, it's clean. And what I'm gonna do, and I'm just going to thinly cut it. So it's up to you. It doesn't have to be thinly, but you can just, you know, you can cut amount that when you eat it, it's not too chunky. So I'm just cutting that up. I have a sharp knife. It's good to have a sharp knife. Red cabbage is really anti-inflammatory. That color is perfect for ridding your body of any inflammation and toxins. And if you're on a journey to detox your body naturally, to rid body, to shrink your fibroids naturally and rid your body and balance your hormones, you want to eat as much raw fruits and vegetables, because those are the most powerful foods for ridding the body of any toxins and inflammation. And I love this salad because it's really quick and easy, and it's really delicious. You know, it's not as what we normally have all the time is lettuce, and I know that it's very quick and you can do this at home. If you have not used red cabbage before, I would encourage you to introduce it in your kitchen. Okay, so we have chopped that up. As I said, everything is just gonna go into the bowl. Okay, we have already cut this lemon in half, so we're gonna squeeze that juice out. Next ingredient, I'm just gonna push this on the side. I've already washed my green onion, so it's a bunch of green onion. Then we're gonna thinly cut that out. So quick and easy. It will take you less than 10 minutes to put this together. If you are looking for healthy, quick, delicious detox recipes to rid your body of toxins and inflammation, I have an ebook that I will link in the description box that you can grab a copy of, so you can start bringing your hormones into a balance. And this is beautiful onion, green onion. It's raw. The best foods to eat when you're trying to balance your hormone, you know, because hormones, they control everything. They control your sex, your libido, they control your weight, they control your mood, your digestive system, your sleep. They control pretty much everything in your body. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this on the side and put it in a bowl, and then we are going to work on the green peppers together. So we are finished chopping the green onions. Now we're going to work on the sweet peppers. Sweet peppers are great when you're eating them raw, especially you can put them in your salad. Last week I made a recipe with cauliflower fried rice, and I used them, and I used them in the recipe as well. So I like sweet peppers because they're really, really delicious, and they're good for you, anti-inflammatory. When you're eating food with color, you're bringing those minerals and vitamins into your body, and it's not a one-time food. It's not the specific salad. It's all about doing your best you can to introduce, you know, healthy foods, making your own food at home. And that's why I'm doing this video, to show you that it is very possible. You can do this at home, and it's quick and easy. If you choose, you can leave the seeds, but I take them out. It doesn't matter, you know. I just try to take them out, but it's still fine. Okay, so next thing, so I'm just going to also chop this in cube. It doesn't have to be that small, but you can do that if you want. Just trying to show you. Can be cube and thick. And as I said, this salad I'm going to serve it with plantain and some healthy fat avocado on the side to feel full. So you can have this for lunch, or you can have this for dinner, because the best time to eat like really nice raw food, you know, would be lunch and dinner. So that way you can, you know, it's really good. It's gonna keep you full because of the healthy fat I'm gonna use. But you can also decide to add maybe roasted butternut squash, or you can just have it with quinoa. I love quinoa. Or you can have it with lentils on the side. There's so many options how you can eat this salad, or you can just have it as it is. Whichever way, you know, you can add it on your side dishes when you're at home, you're making. So you're just done. So see, we are all done with that chopping. Everything is ready. So you can serve it with whatever you feel like it's easy for you. Okay, so we have everything ready. So I'm just gonna put everything in a bowl and I will show you. Okay, so look at that color. So if you're just used to eating lettuce, you know, lettuce is in terms of if you're trying to get nutritional value and detoxing, and you just want something different, you can definitely use this. If you've never tried eating these vegetables raw, I urge you to. You will really, really be amazed how delicious it tastes. So we have everything together. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a little bit of Celtic salt. So add to your liking, you know. You can start with half a teaspoon and then adjust. And then we're going to take that lime. So I have one lime here, and I'm gonna use half. And I'm gonna squeeze out the juice. So I have my lemon squeezer here. So I've squeezed that out. And I'm just going to pour that out. Okay. So lemon is great for detoxing the liver as well. Even when you are, and also because the sweet peppers are rich in vitamin C, the lemon also helps with the absorption. So the vitamin C, when you're taking vitamin C, it also helps boost the absorption of iron, because some of these foods, this is rich in iron as well. And when you add vitamin C in there, it helps with the absorption as well. Okay, so we've added that lime. So the next thing is I'm going to take my oil. So you can start with 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. I know how much I need, and I can, you know, I can just wing it, but just go with the amount that you feel comfortable with. So I'm using olive oil, or you can use grapeseed oil. Those are really healthy oil for you that you can consume raw. So as you can see, this is really colorful, and it's really powerful for you and for your liver for detoxing. So you can choose to use a spoon to mix this up. For me, I would recommend you try, if you not you can try using your hands to mix this up. There's just something about that oil absorbing really into the vegetables when you use your hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this up. I'm going to take my hand and I'm just gonna use my hand and show some love to this delicious, colorful cabbage salad, red cabbage salad. So as of now, it's already coating with the oil, and what I'm going to do, I'm massaging that oil in there. Yes, my hands were clean and everything is clean, but if you have long nails, you don't want to ruin your nails, of course you can use a spatula. For me, I just love to show some love to the food I'm gonna eat, and I make sure that everything is clean and hygienic. Okay, so this is good because I feel that I have enough. I can add a little bit of oil if you feel like it's not coating yet. You can do that. So I'm gonna have a little bit of oil in there. So that lime is gonna give it a different taste. Oh, it's so delicious. You will not believe you will not believe it. You do not even need a dressing, a salad dressing for this. You don't need salad dressing for this recipe because it's really as it is. Okay, so the oil is already your dressing, and the lime is also your dressing for the salad. So you look at the color, you look how beautiful that is. So if you're super ambitious, this is delicious. You have it in a bowl, you can serve it as it is and eat it like this. But I'm gonna plate it for you and I'll show you how I eat it, and you can also try that at home. Okay, so hang in there, let me serve this and I'll show you the final results. Okay, so I have served the plate already. As you can see, this is looking really good right now. So with the plantain, I just took raw plantain and I used grapeseed oil, and I mixed that in there with a little bit of salt and a little bit of paprika, of chili if I wanted a little chili, and I can put it in the oven for about 350 for about 35 minutes. Another choice you can do is you can lightly saute, meaning like shallow frying, but nothing, you know, as long as you're using a healthy pot, which is stainless steel, and not none of those non-sticks, because they release chemicals into your food, and you're using a healthy oil such as avocado oil or grapeseed oil. You can do that on occasion. I do not like to fry my food. Actually, I don't deep fry food. I do shallow frying for plantain, especially because sometimes I just crave for it, or I can do it in the oven as well. So everything in moderation. You know, it's not about denying yourself completely that you're never having to even shallow fry something. So on occasion, when I feel like I need a little bit of the shallow fried plantain, I do that with grapeseed oil or avocado oil, because those are really healthy oils. And also I make sure that I use my stainless steel pot when I'm making this, and I don't use the nonstick. I don't have a nonstick because really they're not good for you. They release chemicals into your food. So just be cautious and aware about what you're using. But as you can see, this is already served as it is. That healthy fat avocado is gonna keep you full. You can have this for lunch or for dinner as you please, and just enjoy this. As I said, if you're looking for detox recipes that are really quick, easy, and delicious, that are really going to detox your body, if you want to eliminate those fibroids naturally, or you wanting to lose weight, or you wanting to just balance your hormones, I have it on the description box. I have an ebook that I'm going to link all the details. And also, if you're looking for information, I have a webinar that explains how to detox your body naturally, so how to balance your hormone to shrink fibroids naturally. I also have that in the description box, so do check those out if you're interested. And if you also want some more videos, check out the cooking videos that I've done. And thank you so much. Share this recipe, like or make a comment, and I hope that you'll give it a chance to detox your body and to live that electric, healthy lifestyle. So thank you so much for watching this. Be healthy, be well, and happy. Until next time, ciao, ciao, bye.